Evidence for the existence of God is all around us. But let us take a look at a single argument, that of the universe as a system. And of course, this can be extended to all the systems scattered throughout the cosmos. There are two aspects to this argument, the second one complementing the first. Let's look at the first aspect. Every system has a maker, and the universe is the most complex of systems, and therefore, by necessity, it should have a maker too. Pretty much logical until now. But let's go a step further and examine the second aspect, which is that natural law, in essence, is the manifestation of the consistent and constant observation of human beings, i.e., what we recognize and identify as a law is in reality a collection of our own experiences, such that no violation of it, so far as we know, has ever taken place. Let me give you an example. The falling of a ball to the ground, when dropped from midair, may be understood to be governed by the law of gravity, but so far as our minds are concerned, this is determined by the knowledge and experience we have of the law of gravity. That is, we believe in gravity because we do not know and have neither seen otherwise. And that applies across the board. Any phenomenon we label as law, we do so because we have seen it happening in this manner, consistently and unfailingly. We have never seen, nor do we know of any violation of that known principle. For example, in attempting to define the world, for a person who has lived in a box all his life, the world is a box. It could be the greatest of minds, but whoever has a life's experience of seeing nothing aside from the box would invariably come to that conclusion and make that declaration, because it is not ingenuity, rather knowledge and experience through which we define and determine things. If such is the case, then the same can be said about the argument of the necessity of the maker of the universe, as, and this is the crux of the argument, as far as our knowledge goes, there is no system that we have seen that exists without a maker, and by unanimity, the universe is the greatest and the most elaborate and sophisticated of all systems. Therefore, one has to concede that there is a great mind that is at work behind this amazing and powerful system, and of course everything else within. And this belief is, logically and rationally, in total consonance with law as defined above and as understood by human beings.